A shallow earthquake measuring 7.2 magnitude shook the Alaska Peninsula, United States, U.S., on Sunday, the 16th of July 2023. This earthquake prompted related parties to issue tsunami warnings in several areas. According to the United States Geological Survey, USGS, the earthquake had a depth of 9.3 kilometers from the ground or had a shallow hypocenter. The Alaska Earthquake Center reported the quake was felt over a wide area, including the Aleutian Islands, the Alaska Peninsula and the Cook Inlet area. Tsunami warning in effect for South Alaska and the Alaska Peninsula, Pacific coasts from Kennedy Entrance, Alaska to Unman Pass, Alaska. The U.S. Tsunami Warning Center warned, the sound of sirens wailing, a warning sign of an earthquake with a magnitude of 8.2. For the rest of the U.S. coast and the Canadian Pacific in North America, the tsunami threat level is being evaluated. Further information will be provided in additional messages. The earthquake that rocked Alaska coincided with the eruption of the Shishalden volcano. However, the authorities said the volcanic activity was not related to the earthquake. The Shishalden volcano itself was reported spewing a column of ash as high as 6 kilometers above sea level on Sunday, the 16th of July 2023.